So today is 8th of April and it is her birthday. Then happy birthday! Hi. So it's 6 a.m. right now and we are going for paragliding. Let's see. Okay, so यहाँ से भैया ने हमें पिकअप कर लिया है. We are going to sign the indemnity bond. After which we'll go to Billing. हम लोग अभी आए थे इनके ऑफिस में to fill up the indemnity form. Let's see. डर तो लग रहा है थोड़ा सा, पता नहीं. Okay, so there's a thing in Bir that the company you're flying with, they'll be the ones to pick you up from your accommodation, and after your paragliding is done, they will be the ones to drop you back to your accommodation again. So take off होगा, वो नीचे लैंडिंग होगा. Hi, ईशा जी. Okay, so at this moment I was strapped in, my harness was tightened, and the pilot bhaiya was just like, run when I say run. Like, bro, we are about to run off a cliff. So in my head I was all about giving myself a pep talk, like, you've got this, you've came all the way here for this, you're gonna fly. But again, बहुत फट रही थी. And then it happened. We ran. I didn't even get time to think. Just ran, and suddenly the ground disappeared. Like it just vanished from under my feet. I was in the air. I was actually flying. I couldn't stop smiling. The fear, it was gone. All I could feel was wind, peace, and this insane sense of freedom. There's a kind of silence up there that hits different. No traffic sound, no people talking, just the wind and the view. Oh my god. Mountains all around, tiny little houses below, and everything felt so far, yet so close. I thought I'd scream or cry or panic, but I didn't. I just smiled. Like that quite soft, genuine kind of smile. It was beautiful up there. So the place from where we took off, it is known as Billing. And Billing isn't just some random hilltop. It is actually one of the top 3 paragliding destinations in the world. It is also the second highest paragliding spot in Asia. I'm not kidding, you can go and Google it if you want. So the takeoff happens at Billing at an altitude of around 2400 meters. And the landing happens in Bir, which is almost about 15 kilometers away. So yeah, you're literally flying over mountains and forests for 20 to 25 minutes straight, depending on the wind. So there's one more fun fact about Billing. So Billing hosted the first ever paragliding World Cup in India back in 2015. And since then, it became a global hotspot for adventure junkies. People from all over the world come here just to glide through the skies. Also, the best time to visit Bir Billing is between March to June or between October to November, because at this time the skies are clear and you will get the best view, best sunset, best sunrise that you can ever see. So after the pretty smooth paragliding till now, Bhaiya goes like, do you want to try some stunts? I was like, sure, but what stunts? And then he was like, let me give you some demonstrations. And at that moment, I knew I made a mistake. The next thing I know, we are flipping, diving, spinning in the air. Literally like we are on a roller coaster, but in the sky. I was screaming, laughing, holding on like my life depended on it, and guess what? I was loving every second. It honestly felt like we were in a free fall. Like my heart was in my throat, but I couldn't stop grinning. I would do it again, though I might think twice before the free fall next time. going to happen very shortly. And it happened extremely smoothly that I didn't even realize that we were back on the ground. It felt weird, like emotional weird. I actually did it. I faced one of my biggest fears and it turned out to be one of the best experiences of my life.
बहुत मस्त क्या सीनरी है यार, ब्यूटीफुल।
सनसेट के टाइम करना
देखेंगे, बड़ा भी तो मजा
दिन
है।
तो है। We have 7 more days. मतलब I have.
Yes, we were at 8,000 feet
Yeah.
from this level and we flew from there. काफी beautiful views थे, मजा है।
So if you're ever in Bir Billing, do it. Paragliding is scary, yes, but it's so worth it. We got a secret road. जहाँ से we are going. This is एकदम raw village. आप बताओ.
काफी सुंदर है दोनों साइड।
Yes. Secret road है ये. हाँ जी.